to make a video to let you know about another real estate topic that I've recently have a challenge with, and basically what you need to do to fix it. So here's going to be some important information. There's a government program and loan called Pennvest. So it's pennvest.pa.gov. That program helps homeowners. Basically, when you have a property, it's for residential only, but if you have a commercial need, you can contact them. So I'm going to cross promote this at PeteGustis.com, of course, real estate agent, and with the Small Business Resource Center. If there's a commercial need, I'm going to do that very quickly the first couple minutes. What you can do is contact Pennvest or sometimes your local community development center, and they may have information with a public sewage issue that you might be facing if you have to switch or something like that. But because what Pennvest basically does is focuses on residential, and if you have residential issues, the local municipalities connecting to a public system, or you have a septic system that has failed and has problems and you can't afford to fix it, they offer low interest loans. So in one area, I actually found a 0% interest loan. That would be Bucks County because of a special program. But these are going to be the standard guidelines for Pennvest and FHA, the Pennsylvania Housing Finance Agency. I will have links in the description, but this is for sellers and owners only. Those are the basic terms. And they actually have very low interest rates, 1.75% and a 45% debt to income with no income limits. And you have a choice of 10, 15, 20-year terms and a 15-year maximum on a manufactured home. So it's basically, it's the owner's choice. It's not based on a loan amount for the term, as long as you fit in the guidelines. The maximum program is $25,000. And for a manufactured home, and the minimum program, is, we're going to hold there. The maximum loan program is $25,000 and the minimum loan program is $2,500. Basically, this needs to be a first or second lien position if you're going up to $25,000. For a third lien position, sorry about that, you can only go up to $7,500. So that's one thing to keep in mind. They do have those that information. And it's 30 to 60 days to close on a loan. So repairs can be done quickly. Permitted uses is for on-lot septic, converting into public system, and connecting it in existing homes. So you can't use this for new construction or something like that. Basically, it's for already existing homes that are having problems that an owner might not have the funds to be able to remedy it with a normal situation. Because as well as you know, it's not quite so easy to just go to a bank and say, hey, my septic has a problem and I need a loan. So what Pennvest does is they also work with local community banks and stuff to help guarantee these loans. And keep in mind, I'm going to try to go through these rather quickly. If you want to copy the slides, Pete@PeteGustis.com. I'll email you one. Just send me an email, let me know, or call me at 610-209-9219, and I'll get you a copy if it's important. But I will have the link in the description. So the applicant, of course, must own at least 50% of the property. And the reason why that's important is because you have some scenarios where families might have 5 kids on a deed. In that instance, that you actually cannot do this. You can only have it if there's 2 people that own it. So sometimes you might have to transfer the property into a couple people if you have multiple people that own one property. Has to be a primary residence. So you can't borrow for rental property, business, or you can't borrow for someone else's home. So you can't get the loan for someone else that you know. I did mention the debt to income and stuff like that. So application timeframes, 30 to 60 days. And they do have lot size requirements. Any type of unique situation, you should always contact Pennvest. Don't just automatically disqualify yourself. But here's how the program works. If you're borrowing 15,000 at 1.75 for 20 years, you pay $75 a month for 20 years. That's pretty cheap if you ask me. And if you borrow 25,000 at 1.75, you pay 124 per month. Sounds great compared to, many other options. Okay, here's a copy of the flyer that they gave us, which goes over those basic terms. And they also tell you that Pennvest partners with different banks. So locally in the Berks County, that's where this flyer and information from. It was American Bank in Allentown, excuse me. And if you do have a local bank, they actually don't mind partnering with them. They like to have multiple banks. But if you just want to get it done, Allentown, PA, Berks County, American Bank, there's the phone number. Okay. And it says that there's no budget, so funds are always available, which is great. If you have questions, I'm not really the person to contact at all times for this, unless I'm helping you with a real estate transaction, of course. But if you want a copy of the slides, let me know. You can always email septic@phfa.org, or you can contact the number here, which are people with PHFA. And Pennvest Authority, there's their phone number. If you want to contact them directly, like I said, if you want a copy of slides, pete@petegustis.com. I'm a real estate agent. I can help you pretty much with most of the needs that you have. And I sell properties all over Pennsylvania. Like and subscribe to my channel. Call for service. If you need to buy or sell a business, home, rental property, I'm your guy. Have a great day.